Hello everybody, welcome to Rachel's classroom. Today we will be discussing some problems on irredeemable debentures. Irredeemable debt can also be known as perpetual debt, which refers to the debt which is not redeemable during the lifetime of the firm. The interest payable on such debt is called the cost of irredeemable debt. To find the cost of irredeemable debt, we are going to use two formula. The first one is cost of debt before tax, and the other formula is cost of debt after tax. So to find out the cost of debt before tax, we use interest before tax divided by net proceeds. To find cost of debt after tax, we used interest after tax divided by net proceeds. Computation of net proceeds in the case when debentures are issued at par is face value minus issue expenses. When the debentures are issued at premium, we will be using face value minus issue expenses plus the premium that we will be paying on the securities. In case when the debentures are issued at a discount, we will use the last formula, face value minus issue expenses minus the discount given to the securities. We'll move on to an example. Let's take this example. A company issued rupees 3 lakhs of 8% debentures at a premium of 10%. They are issuing at a premium of 10%. The flotation costs incurred are 2%. The tax rate is 50%. We are required to ascertain the cost of debt before tax and after tax. So the face value is 3 lakhs. Interest rate is 8%. So the interest on debentures is 8% on 3 lakhs, which is 24,000. Since the debentures are issued at a premium of 10%, the premium value is 10% on the face value 3 lakhs, that is 30,000. Flotation cost here they have specifically given as 2% on issue price. So we have to include the premium also. So it is 2% on 3,30,000, which is 6,600. Tax rate is 50%. We need tax rate for calculating interest after tax. Computation of net proceeds. Since we have issued the debentures at premium, face value minus issue expenses plus the premium on securities. So the net proceeds is 3,23,400. Interest before tax is 24,000. Tax is 50% on the interest before tax, which is 12,000. So interest after tax is 12,000. So we are going to calculate cost of debenture before tax. So interest before tax is 24,000 divided by net proceeds 3,23,400. Since it is a percentage, we are multiplying it by 100. Similarly, for cost of debt after tax, we calculated the interest after tax as 12,000. Net proceeds is 3,23,400 into 100 is equal to 3.71%. We'll see one more sum. A company issued 6,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 at a discount of 10%. So this time the company is issuing debentures at a discount of 10%. The issue expenses is 4,000. Tax rate 50%. Now let's see how to calculate the before and after tax cost of debt. So the number of debentures is 6,000. So the face value is 6,000 debentures into 100, 6 lakhs. Interest rate is 10%. Okay. So let's first calculate the net proceeds. Face value is 6 lakhs minus issue expenses, that is 4,000, and the discount on the debenture issued is 10%. 10% on 6 lakh, that is the face value. So the net proceeds is 5,36,000. So the interest before tax is 10% on 6 lakhs. 50% on the interest, that is tax, will give you 30,000. So the interest after tax is 60 minus 30, 30,000. So cost of debt before tax is interest before tax. This is 60,000 divided by the net proceeds 5,36,000. And cost of debt after taxes, interest after tax is 30,000 divided by net proceeds 5,36,000 will give you the answer 5.60. Thank you.